Simply put, from a crypto investor's perspective, the last 7 months and more have really put us through the ringer. I mean, Bitcoin is down 70%, Ethereum plunged 78%, then it went back up. Oh my goodness. The crypto lending platform Celsius filed for bankruptcy, stablecoin Terra, USD, Luna basically, completely collapsed. When I hear leading investors and crypto influencers start proclaiming the end of cryptocurrency though, I kind of shake my head in frustration, thinking about the predictable panic selling that always ensues. Because that knee-jerk reaction, I think, is wrong. See, the crypto price drop is an opportunity to buy, not a reason to sell. Here's a chance to scoop up top quality assets at deeply discounted prices. And every time, you know what happens. Look, there are 3 long-term bullish trends still in motion despite the volatility distracting most of the market watchers that will ensure crypto isn't going anywhere. And make sure you don't go anywhere or miss any of our latest posts by hitting the subscribe button as we continue to pass on our knowledge and experience to you with our made simple videos and easy access content. And get that bell turned on to make sure you continue to receive instant notification. Okay, now back to the optimism. Trend number 1, VCs. Yes, venture capitalists are still coming good. These firms have a good track record of creating value. They're the silent backers helping massive global internet and app companies get established. And in the past 12 months, VCs have invested a record $33 billion into crypto and blockchain startups, often in return for ownership stakes. I mean, that tells you something, right? And that value doesn't even include Andreessen Horowitz's $4.5 billion investor crypto fund launched in May to take advantage of bargains in this down market. I hope you're doing the same. This is one of the biggest funds in crypto history. And this renowned VC previously backed Facebook, Airbnb, and Twitter. They take this bold stance because in their view, the long-term opportunity in crypto is like the next major computing cycle. Now, why is this important? Well, keep watching till the end, as you need to understand all 3 reasons to get the full overarching reasons why we and you can still be crypto optimists. Okay, trend number 2, adoption. Adoption is everything, right? Is on the up. I mean, the basic philosophy here is simple. The more people who use the technology, the more valuable it becomes. This is true for cryptos, just like it was with the internet, smartphones, social media, basically everything. The more people who use a network, the more valuable that network's crypto becomes. See, the lightning adoption rates last year saw Bitcoin hit 760 million wallets, and adoption just keeps gathering momentum as Bitcoin moves from the fringes to the mainstream, now surpassing 1 billion wallets. Talking of mainstream, we'd love to know what you think about this, so please do comment below and share your opinion. Finally, the big one. Trend number 3, Bitcoin is exempt from inflation. Now, I must stress this particular trend applies only to Bitcoin. However, given the present level of dollar inflation and Bitcoin's position in the crypto ecosystem, this is still critically important. It's all about hard assets. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, a hard asset is one that is difficult to produce more of relative to its existing supply. Think gold, silver, precious metals, and commodities. These are, of course, also physical things, right? Bitcoin's virtual nature often sees it considered solely as a technology. However, a hard asset doesn't have to be physical. So Bitcoin's relative scarcity, as only 21 million will ever be mined, and despite its virtual nature, makes Bitcoin a hard asset. See what I'm saying? So, a finite cap of 21 million Bitcoins has been wired into its code. It means once 21 million Bitcoins have been mined, that's it. Finito, no more mining. It's also notoriously expensive to mine new BTC. Now, that is good because it prevents governments and central banks from inflating Bitcoin's value the way that they can with dollars and other fiat currencies. Inflating, deflating, confiscating. Now, you're right, the immediate evidence is that increasing dollar inflation is corresponding to a Bitcoin slump. But this is contradictory to the long-term big picture. And it's this big picture that is key. You see, a Bitcoin is composed of 100 million Satoshis. $1 buys you around 5,000 Satoshis, okay? 9 years ago, guess what? $1 bought roughly 10 million Satoshis. That's 199,900% growth in less than 10 years. And that kind of value gain, coupled with Bitcoin's pre-programmed scarcity, is why, in my opinion, there's no inflation hedge quite as effective and valuable as Bitcoin right now. While dollars will continue to be printed, Bitcoin can never be subject to this devaluation. So there you go. Now you understand why we are crypto optimists. How about you? Let us know whether you are in the comments below. And remember to give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and get that bell turned on to make sure you continue to receive notifications the moment any of our new videos become available. We hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to bringing you the next one.